Samsung UN75H6300AF. So this TV, it doesn't want to turn on. There is no standby light, completely dead. You can see it is plugged to the power. I'm going to push the power button. Nothing. So if I disconnect this cable that's going from the power board to the main board, we can see the backlight is on. This means the power board is doing their job, but the main board could be something wrong with it. So by looking at the board, I found this one here. Samsung UN75H. Okay, that's the chip. Is a Z3015PI1. You can see it is burnt. And this diode, it just is a short as well. So there is a short in the coil and there is a diode. So by looking in these boards, I find one is similar to that one. Z3015PI1, and so there is a coil and there is two diodes here. So we can use this diode and use this one. Let's do it. So I need the diode that's connected to the coil. Let's see which one is. So they have two diodes over there. And in our board, so that's the diode. I will use this one here, the first one. That's to do the two pieces that I need them. Let me show you the short. So this is the underground. So we have short in this coil. and we have a search in this diode. So after we remove the IC, we're going to check the search here if it's going to stay or it will go. Because the diode, the other side of the diode is the ground, and could be just the coil, because there is a search from the IC, which will show in the diode. So let's move this. Yeah, because the chip is burned, it's soldered with the copper. So, alright, that's the chip.
Dad,
Yes.
I dropped the one screw.
Okay. So let's test for sure first before we put the replacement IC. Still the short in the coil. So let's remove the diode. The coil, it doesn't cause the short, because the coil is just a wire.
Dad,
Yes.
I'm done.
Okay, give me 1 minute.
Oh, I think so. I'm done.
So he removed the diode, and we check for short again. The short is gone. The short is gone. So that's the diode. I remove it. There is a short in this diode.
Hey, Dad. I think I see another one.
Another what?
One. From the TV.
Yeah, the TV. Yeah.
Have 2 lines.
Mm-hmm. So I moved a little capacitor over there. So let me solder it first before it flies somewhere. So we pay attention to the mark in the IC. There is a dot. That's for the direction where the IC, the first pin is. And we have a little triangle on the board. So I just say put the one. And the same thing the diode. There is a mark in the board that shows the direction of the diode. Okay, so now I can so the diode is in the place. The IC is soldered in the place. This looks good. I need a little soldering Dutch pen that burned. Alright, looks good. So let's check for the short. No more short. So this is the two components that we changed. This IC and this diode. So let's test it on the TV and see if. So that's the motherboard and this is the chip. So if I can see the part number. And that's the diode. So plug the TV to the power. You can see the backlight. T-cone light is on. You can see the light is flashing here. So we got the power to the TV. I'm just gonna put it together and show you the final results. And here we get the display. And this is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on next one.